Now in today's video, I'm going to test the USB input versus the XLR input for audio. Now currently I'm using the Boya Cosmic 60XD microphone right here using an XLR input, and this is just the audio quality which I'm getting from it right now. Also for the audio interface, I'm using the Boya Caster X1, which I'm attaching my XLR into right now, which I'm getting audio and stuff into my computer. And this is just a sound quality that you guys will get if you're using an XLR cable. So right now guys, I'm using the USB-C right now attached to my computer, and I'm getting audio straight from out of my microphone right here using the USB-C. Now the thing with this though, all of the control and the user knob is in the microphone right here, so I can control things like the volume and stuff like that, which built into this microphone right here. So let me know what you guys think about the audio quality versus when I'm using the XLR and when I'm using the USB.